Well, here's my Frogger machine, and I just installed a high score save slash free play kit in it. And as you can see, it says free play down there, and I can just press player 1, and the game just starts. I've owned this game for 20 years. I was never able to do that. And the other cool thing, let me kill all my frogs. You can see the high score table. It now displays initials, just like Seinfeld. So it actually saves your initials and saves your high scores. Never had that capability before. I can't tell you how awesome this is. And it just took, I got this board from Arcade Shop. Let's see if I can show it to you. Oh, it's kind of hidden back there. But anyway, it's basically just back on the main board. There's a Z80 processor. You just have to take the Z80 processor out and put it on the board from Arcade Shop and install the board in the Z80 socket, and it just worked great for me. I did have a problem where this switcher power supply came unplugged from the transformer, so when I turned it on it didn't work at first, but then I quickly found that was disconnected and everything started working just fine again. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this mod. It's really cool, and it still feels like, you know, it's still running off the original board. Still feels like original Frogger, even though it's slightly modified, but I think it's well worth it. Highly recommend this mod for anyone who has a Frogger.